Hi everyone, I'm Steve. And like you, I love nature, and I do my best to be calm and relax, get rid of the stress of every day. And I just want to say thanks for stopping by my channel. These beautiful images and sound are all recorded by me live on location. I climb the mountains, I walk the beaches, and I explore and have adventure and film these things for you and for myself. And I hope you'll share them with others and that they'll bring you some peace, calm, relaxation, and joy to your everyday. I really do appreciate you subscribing, sharing with others. I hope I can reach the counts I need so that I can actually monetize and make a few pennies here and there while I go out and do this work. So I appreciate your help in that, because then I can keep making more and more of these for you and the rest of the world to enjoy. So thanks for coming by, and please check back for weekly updates, new videos. If you have any suggestions, comments, please just let me know, and I'll do my best to get what it is that you'd like to experience. Thanks so much, and have a great rest of the day or a calm and peaceful evening. Take care now.